Hello everyone. Again, I wanted to thank everyone who voted in yesterday's poll, and I wanted to let you know that today's winner was by one vote. And now, on with the show. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets British Airways A319-131. This jet is in British Airways 100th Anniversary Retro British European Airways Retro livery. Gemini Jets produced this aircraft in 2019. The aircraft is powered by two International Aero engines V2522 high bypass turbofans. Each engine is able to generate up to 23,000 pounds force or 102 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 156 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a max cruise speed of 541 miles an hour or 871 kilometers an hour, with a range around 3,700 nautical miles or just under 7,000 kilometers. As a note for collectors, there have been several versions of this aircraft in this livery produced over the last few years. These include models in 1/200, 1/400, and 1/500 scales. The manufacturers of these models include Gemini Jets, Inflight 200, Herpa Models, and Aeroclassics. Originally, this A319-131 was delivered to British Airways on March 30th of 2000, with a registration of G-EUPJ, starting its life painted in the standard British Airways livery that they've worn since the late 1990s. Nearly 2 decades later, in March 2019, this aircraft was repainted in British European Airways colors as part of British Airways' celebration of 100 years of continuous service, as British European Airways was merged with British Overseas Airways Corporation, otherwise known as BOAC, to form British Airways in 1974. As a note, BOAC's predecessor, Handley Page Transport, was founded in 1919 and is used as the starting point of British commercial aviation history for the current company, British Airways. As of early 2023, this aircraft continues serving British Airways in regional and international European routes. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you, and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss one of these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you, and good day.